The movie is following a kid under 17 who's fled from Syria alone without their parents. This is the situation. And by this movie, we're showing why the children chose to. This is a dangerous trip alone to Europe, and the big reason behind the refugees crisis, and why these refugees go to Europe, why they left their countries, and by this is why when we talking about the kids, we will understand completely about the families and about all the Syrians. So this is a project I started with this project with my colleague, is a producer. He's called Henrik Gorent, and he's a Danish journalist and producer. And with a company, it's called Heartland, and with it's screening on Danish TV and we're screening on BBC. So it's a cooperation between this is the three companies, and this is a story. And why it's important, because it's very close from the refugees crisis, and it's very close what we live now, and especially with about the generation, the people, the kids who will be like in the future a part of the society, the European society. So we'll watch everything will touch us, because this is a trip. It's meaning for all the countries on the first countries in Europe, like Greece, Slovenia, and Macedonia, Bulgaria, and Austria, Germany, and Sweden, and Denmark. So this is here the meaning, and we will watch a lot of things about the Syria, and we will understand a little bit the first enemy for the people running